It all begins in the date groves, where timing and ripeness matter most. Each cluster is harvested by hand to protect the fruit's natural sugars.
Only fully matured dates move forward. Harvested fruit is organized immediately to avoid damage.
Temporary shade preserves moisture before transport.
The journey continues from field to facility.
From here, the dates head straight to processing. Fresh harvest moves fast to preserve flavor and quality.
Stability during transport protects the delicate fruit. The destination is a specialized processing facility.
Here, raw dates enter controlled production.
Every shipment is verified before entry.
Inside the facility, logistics follow precise routes. Positioning must be exact for safe unloading. The processing journey officially begins. Modern factories are designed for speed, hygiene, and scale.
Cleanliness is the foundation of food production.
Every worker follows strict safety and hygiene protocols.
Inside, raw materials meet industrial precision.
Now, the dates enter the cleaning phase. Surface dust and debris are removed instantly.
Rotary washing ensures uniform cleaning.
Controlled drainage prepares the fruit for inspection. Optical systems detect defects in milliseconds.
Only premium quality dates remain in the process.
Human expertise complements machine precision.
Clean, sorted dates are ready for transformation. Seeds are removed to prepare the fruit for blending.
Byproducts are separated for secondary uses.
Grinding converts solid fruit into a dense paste.
Controlled transport prevents texture loss.
Fresh milk is stored under precise temperature control.
Milk travels through sealed, hygienic pipelines.
Exact ratios define flavor and consistency. The foundation of the milkshake takes shape. High-speed blending creates a smooth, uniform texture.
Real-time monitoring ensures perfect consistency.
Natural ingredients refine taste without compromise.
Homogenization stabilizes texture and flavor. Homogenization stabilizes texture and flavor.
Filtration removes microscopic impurities.
Temperature control preserves freshness. The product waits for final finishing. Now, the milkshake moves toward completion. Containers are prepared before filling begins. Exact filling guarantees uniform volume. Scientific analysis verifies nutritional balance. Real processes, real factories, real results.